What's up, guys? It's the Bay Bros back again for another video. It is 9 o'clock at night, and let's get this unboxing over with this. We have one Wizard 160 Rush from Hasbro Beyblade X. Let's take a look at the back of the box. There is one Wizard 160 Rush, and yeah. Let's open it up and give you the part by part. Before we move to the part by part, this is the launcher that they give you. Don't use this, use a string or a ripcord. And yeah, moving over to the part by part, we have our blade, which is Wand Wizard. This blade is super meta relevant. It is a literal circle, and it has good outer weight distribution. And yeah, this is the top meta Beyblades. You can use this for stamina or balance on ball, orb, hexa, or in this case 160 rush. Speaking of 160, 160 is a good ratchet for attack. I like the green color, and yeah, it has some good RNG, and yeah, the main highlight of this starter set is the reprint of the Rush bit in this green color. You can only get this in the Dagger John starter set. And yeah, Rush has high burst resistance, and it has 10 gears to do a repeated extreme dash. And yeah, what are my thoughts on this Beyblade overall? Fully assembled Wand Wizard 160 Rush. You get some pretty good value. Wand Wizard is good. You get 160 and you get a reprint of Rush if you're unable to get the Dagger John set. So before we end this off, let me go to the scale and weigh this thing. We're at the scale. How much does Wand Wizard weigh? 34 grams. Are you sure about that, buddy? There we go. That's more like it. 35 grams for Wand Wizard. That is a very good weight. 160 is 6 grams. The Rush bit is 2 grams. And let's fully assemble this. So fully assembled, total weight for the combo is 43 grams. Very nice, very nice. If you like this video, give this video a subscribe, and if you want to see more unboxings, reviews, and battles like this. And until next time, this is the Bay Bros, and I'll see you next time.